Gonna be swapping in some LED bulbs in the gauge cluster. See how that goes. First part from Japan has arrived. So I just whipped up this cool little switched power cigarette lighter port thing. Cool little thing you can turn on and off nice and easily to control whatever you want rather than having to unplug it and unplug it whatnot every time you get in the truck. So cool little mod I found on Amazon. It's bad. So small. It does come with the rear shoes, but I don't really feel like doing those today, so we'll save those for another time. It's time for brakes. The pads are getting kind of low, not too terrible, but the rotors are in really rough shape. They've got a huge lip on them. Might as well just change those out. Wash.